Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to recall the grammar portion. Prepositions. Let us read the objectives of preposition. To use correct preposition in a sentence. To construct sentences using the prepositions. Preposition is a word that shows relationship. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. The words in red are prepositions. They link the words in pink. The tiger is in the tree. Tiger and tree are two nouns. It is linked by the preposition in. The horse jumped over the fence. Over is the preposition. It links two nouns, horse and fence. The boy ran after the ball. Boy and ball are two nouns linked by after. The bird flew above the cloud. Above is the preposition and it links the two words bird and cloud. Children, look at all the pictures and see the position of each character in the picture. Some examples for prepositions are given here. Above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind. Read all these prepositions and try to use these prepositions in sentences. Kinds of prepositions. There are two types of prepositions, simple prepositions and compound prepositions. Preposition which consists only one word is called simple preposition. Example, in, on, at, with, against, etc. Compound prepositions which consist of two or more words. Example, instead of, in the middle of, by the side of, etc. Children, you have to remember only one thing. Simple preposition with one word, compound prepositions with more than one word. Example for simple prepositions. Children, I don't think you need further explanation for this because we have learned this many times. There is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. The cat jumped off the counter. He drove over the bridge. She lost her ring at the beach. The book belongs to Anthony. You can see the sentences and the preposition is highlighted with red color. Children, understand it properly. Read the sentences again and again. Here are some examples for compound prepositions. All the compound prepositions are highlighted with the blue color. Children, go through all the examples. First one, I attended the meeting on behalf of my company. On behalf of is the compound preposition because there are more than one word. We were in the middle of the storm. In the middle of, there are four words, that is why it is compound preposition. He has gym class in addition to his regular classes today. He picked up the penny from beneath the couch. Aside from singing, she also plays the piano at the bar. My car is parked in front of the mailbox. In front of is the compound preposition. The weather will be good this weekend according to Tom. According to is the compound preposition. Children, read all these sentences. What is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is a group of words that, children note the points, begins with a preposition. Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. Second point, ends with a noun or pronoun. Tells us where something is or when something happens. Underline the prepositional phrases. We flew over the ocean. Children, see, over is the preposition and it ends with a noun ocean. That is why from over the ocean is the prepositional phrase. I will be there in 5 minutes. In is the preposition. Minutes is a noun. In 5 minutes is the prepositional phrase. He jumped onto the bed. On is the preposition. Bed is the noun. We can see. The crops grow in good soil. In soil is the noun. The team crowded around the goal scorer. Around is a preposition. Goal scorer is a noun. See children, it starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. And it tells us where something is or when something happens. Now the homework. Write all the grammar portions in your grammar notebook. Draw picture wherever necessary.